Hi, I'm Jessa. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Liquid Shield kit from Pumpables. Okay, so we're assembling the Pumpables Liquid Shield kit. We have all the components here. So we have a soft silicone insert. This you buy the particular size for your nipple. Mine is a 17 millimeter. Then you have this hard plastic outer piece that this silicone piece fits inside. We have the diaphragm that's going to go on the part that connects to the pump. And then, of course, we have the collection bottle. So the key really to getting this assembled properly is to get this soft silicone component nicely nestled inside this harder plastic component. So let's go ahead and do that. So we need to kind of tilt it a little bit so we can, tilt it the other way so that we can get this soft silicone inside our larger component here. So you're going to press that in. Use your fingers to kind of pinch it through. Once you have that kind of nested in, you can see inside there's a little piece that sticks down and the silicone piece will fit over that. So you're going to press that in nice and tight. So that's very secure. Then we need to make sure that this lip is all the way around the hard plastic. So you see there's a gap here. So we're going to just press with our thumb gently all the way around, and that will seal that soft silicone piece on. So now that's really nicely secured. So this piece is tight in there. This is secured all the way around. Then we'll secure that to our bottle, nice and tight. And then the diaphragm goes on top here. And the connecting part to the pump goes on. So we need to line up these little grooves, and the connecting part need to go in between these parts that stick out. So we need to align that a little bit crooked so that we can get it on. And then we twist it in order to secure. So again, let's see if I can show that again. Here we have this part that's kind of sticking out a little bit and this indent inside. We stick that on sideways, or so that it's in between, and then twist to connect. And that is the assembly of the Pumpables Liquid Shield.